Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be cleaning these water spots off this shower door with Koenig spray polish. So normally Koenig spray polish will work without using anything extra, but today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to use it with steel wool. And I actually purchased this steel wool at Lowe's. It's 4-0 steel wool. It's very fine. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow the wax and the steel wool to remove the water spots. Because it's very fine, it's not going to scratch your shower door. So first step is to spray the Koenig spray polish on the shower door. And then what I like to do is actually take the steel wool and put it in your rag. So if you put it on your rag just like that, then you're not touching the steel wool. Let the product sit on the shower door where the stains are for 30 seconds to a minute, and then rub in a circle. And as you're rubbing in a circle, and go back side to side in a circle, you're going to see the water spots start to come off. And I can see them coming off. And that's because the abrasive in the steel wool, the microscopic abrasive, is also removing the stain from the water spot. Now keep in mind, once you do this once, you're going to put the Carnauba wax, the Koenig spray polish, on the window, and it's going to prevent the water spots from bonding to the glass the next time. So the first time you do it, you're going to do a little bit more extra work, and then once you finish up, so now all the water spots are on the steel wool. Next step, you can see it starting to haze up on the glass. That's the Carnauba wax that's on the glass. So then when you come back and you buff it out, the water spots are gone. So now what it's done is it's given a water repellency. So the next time you take a shower and you get water spots on there, it's going to beat up on the glass and it's going to come right off. So that's how you get water spots off shower doors with Koenig spray polish. If you have any questions, you can go to our website, koenigpolish.com, for more videos and more information about the product. Thank you.